All right, let's quickly review and close out week 8. Then we'll look at week 9. Good week in the discussions. I appreciate all your work there. There's still a few of you that need to get in though, so let's try to get in. Remember, class ends in a couple of weeks, so now is not the time to fall behind. Your leadership, personnel issues, and rules of law assignments. There's still a few of you got to get those in, and same goes for the Chapter 12 quiz. Let's get those taken care of so we can start making sure we're all current on our classwork and that we're all going to pass the class. So if you have any, let me see, as far as grading, I should be grading, I'm going to try and get everything graded by tomorrow, or I'm sorry, by today sometime. If not, they'll be graded by Tuesday. So again, let's get caught up. Let's get current on any classwork from this past week or any weeks prior, so that way we all close out this class nicely. All right, so on that point, let's look at week 9. So week 9, law enforcement operations and management. We're going to be going over the problems law enforcement faces in dealing with such issues as mental illness, domestic violence, immigrants, and human trafficking. You're going to read through chapter 13 of your textbook and then see the week 9 lecture. Okay, for our discussion this week, we're going to be going to explain the nature and extent of youth crime and violence. What means are being used by police for addressing school violence and bullying, gun violence, disorderly conduct in public places, and underage drinking. Select one of these 4 problems involving youth offenders and determine the key challenges that police officers face when responding to calls for service for this problem. And then suggest 2 strategies police officers can utilize to reduce the problems involving young offenders. And then also going to be sure to respond to at least one other classmate's post. You also have a chance to look ahead and prepare for your assignment that's due next week in week 10. And then last, we have our week 13 quiz, which consists of 35 multiple choice and true-false questions, worth 1 point each. And the material covers, the quiz is going to cover the materials in chapter 13. The test has a 2-hour time limit, and it can be saved. And there's also multiple attempts allowed. So again, if you have any questions, feel free to call me, email me, or text me at any time. All right. Good luck to all of you in week 9.